I'm Corey from the Forgiving team. Today, I'm going to show you what an admin needs to communicate to users to self-enroll as a team member. And what you're seeing on the screen is a campaign dashboard as a view of a campaign admin. So once you've properly configured the settings for team members, you will see an Add a Team Member button. Click on that button and you can add a team member. That's the link that you are going to send out to all your team members. You copy that link and you can text it, you can email it. In this particular case, I'm just going to show you how we could email that out to our team members. And this is just an email client from the campaign admin to our team members with a subject line of just simply join the team. And a simple text of, hi team members, it's that time of year again. We're ready to roll for our new campaign. Click on the link below and self-enroll as a team member. Now, as a team member, all I have to do is click on that link and self-enroll.